Hello students, now we are going to learn about a multiplexer. So what do you mean by a multiplexer? Multiplexer is a device that has multiple inputs and a single line output. The select line determines which input is connected to the output and also to increase the amount of data that can be sent over a network within a certain time. It is also called a data collector. The single pole multi-position switch is a simple example of non-electronic circuit of multiplexer, and it is widely used in many electronic circuits. The multiplexer is used to perform high-speed switching and is constructed by electronic components. Multiplexers are capable of handling both analog and digital applications. In analog applications, multiplexers are made up of relays and transistor switches, whereas in digital application, the multiplexers are built from standard logic gates. When the multiplexer is used for digital applications, it is called a digital multiplexer. Now, multiplexers are classified into four types. They are 2 to 1 multiplexer, 4 to 1 multiplexer, 8 to 1 multiplexer and 16 to 1 multiplexer. So, now we can see what do you mean by a 8 to 1 multiplexer. 8 to 1 multiplexer consists of 8 input lines, 1 output line and 3 selection line. Just look at this multiplexer circuit diagram. For the combination of selection input, the data line is connected to the output line. The circuit shown is an 8 into 1 multiplexer. The 8 into 1 multiplexer requires 8 AND gates, 1 NOR gate and 3 selection lines. As an input, the combination of selection inputs are given to the AND gate with the corresponding input data lines. In similar way, all the AND gates are given connection. In this 8 to 1 multiplexer, for any selection line input, one AND gate gives a value of 1 and the remaining all AND gates give 0. And finally, by using OR gate, all the NAND gates are added and this will be equal to the selected value. Now, what are the applications of a multiplexer? Multiplexers are used in various applications wherein multi-data need to be transmitted by using a single line. It is used in a communication system, that is, a communication system has both a communication network and a transmission system. By using a multiplexer, the efficiency of the communication system can be increased by allowing the transmission of data such as audio and video data from different channels through a single lines or cables. It can be used in computer memory, that is, multiplexers are used in computer memory to maintain a huge amount of memory in the computers and also to reduce the number of copper lines required to connect the memory to other parts of the computer. And next application is telephone network. In telephone networks, multiple audio signals are integrated on a single line of transmission with the help of a multiplexer, and it can be used in when the transmission from the computer system of a satellite. How we are using it here? Like, multiplexer is used to transmit the data signals from the computer system of a spacecraft or a satellite to the ground system by using a GSM satellite. Now, what do you mean by a demultiplexer? Demultiplexer is also a device with one input and multiple output lines. It is used to send a signal to one of the many devices. The main difference between a multiplexer and a demultiplexer is that a multiplexer takes two or more signals and encodes them to a wire, whereas a demultiplexer does reverse to what the multiplexer does. Now, what are the applications of a demultiplexer? Demultiplexers are used to connect a single source to multiple destinations. The applications include the following. First is the communication system. Multiplexer and demultiplexer both are used in a communication system to carry out the process of data transmission. A multiplexer receives the output signals from the multiplexer, and at the receiver end it converts them back to the original form. Next, it is used in arithmetic logic unit. The output of the ALU is fed as an input to demultiplexer, and the output of the demultiplexer is connected to a multiple register. The output of a ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, can be stored in multiple registers. Now, what do you mean by a 1 to D demultiplexers? Just look at the diagram. The demultiplexer is also called as a data distributors, as it requires one input, 3 selected lines and 8 outputs. Demultiplexer takes one single input data line and then switches it to any one of the output line. 1 to 8 demultiplexer circuit diagram. It uses 8 AND gates for achieving the operation. The input bit is considered as data D and it is transmitted to the output lines. This depends on the control input value of the AB. When AB is equal to 0, 1, the upper second gate F1 is enabled, while the remaining AND gates are disabled, and the data bit is transmitted to the outgiving F1 is equal to data. If D is low, the F1 is low, and if D is high, the F1 is high. So, the value of F1 depends on the value of D, and the remaining outputs are in low state.